Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the fourth exercise of chapter 10. This is the employee class exercise. This exercise says that write a class named employee that holds the following data about an employee, that is name, ID number, department and job title. Once you have written the class, write a program that creates the employee objects to hold the following data. This is the data for 3 employees, so we will create 3 objects. After this, the program should store this data in the 3 objects, then display the data for each employee on the screen. Let's write the program. So first of all, create the employee class. And in this class, define a constructor. So here def init and give this all the attributes as arguments: name, ID number, department, job title. And in this constructor, set the attributes to these arguments. Self dot first attribute is name. Set this equal name. Self dot ID number. This double underscore before the name of an attribute indicate that this is the private attribute and cannot be accessed outside of the class. Set this equal ID number. Similarly, create an other attribute, private attribute department, and set this equal department. Create another private attribute for the job title and set this equal job title. This is the constructor. As we will assign the values to the attribute of the objects by the constructor, so we do not need to define the setter methods. So we will define getter methods. First of all, we will define a getter method for name. So define get name, and in this method return the value stored in the name attribute, self dot name. Similarly, def get ID number, and in this method return the value stored in the ID number attribute. After this, def get department, and in this method return the value stored in the department variable. Similarly, define a getter method for the job title. So get job title, and in this method return the value stored in the job title data element, or you can say the job title attribute of the employee class. Now I have defined the getters method for all the data members. So write the main program, and in main program create the three objects of the employee class with the given data that is given in the exercise. So first of all, create an employee 1. Employee 1 is equal to employee, and the name of first employee is Susan Myers, and the ID number of first employee is 47899. Department of employee 1 is accounting, and the job title of employee 1 is vice president. So we have created an employee 1 with the given data. Similarly, create an object employee 2 and set this equal employee. The name of employee is Mark Jones. The ID number of employee is 39119. The department of employee 1 is IT. Sorry, employee 2 is IT. And the job title of employee 2 is programmer. Similarly, create an object 3, name employee 3, and set this equal employee, and name of employee 3 is Joy Rogers. ID number of Joy Roger is 81774. Department of Joy Roger is manufacturing. And job title of Joy Roger is engineer. Now we have created the three objects of the class employee. Create this in the main function. Now after creating the three objects of employee class, we have to display the information of these employees. So first of all, display the information of first employee. Print employee 1 information. And display, first of all, display the name of the employee. Print name. Name of employee is employee 1 dot get name. Print ID number. ID number of employees employee 1 dot get ID number. After this, print department, and department of employee 1 is employee 1 dot get department. And at last, print job title of employee 1. So job title of employee 1 is employee 1 dot get job title. This will display the information of employee 1. Similarly, display the information of employee 2. Print employee 2 information, and here print name. Simply copy the above code and print here for employee 2. Print employee 2 information here. Print employee 2 dot get name, employee 2 dot get ID number, employee 2 dot get department, and employee 2 dot get job title. After displaying the employee 2 data, display the employee 3 information. For this, print name. Name is employee 3 dot get name, employee 3 dot get ID number, employee 3 dot get department, and employee 3 dot get job title. In this program, I created a class employee in which I created a constructor that will initialize the 4 attribute to a value. Then I define the getters for each attribute, and then in the main program, using constructor, I created 3 objects of the class employee with the data, and then I display the information of each employee, employee 1, employee 2, and employee 3. Let's run the program. Nothing displayed as because I forget to call the main function. Call the main function and run the program, and you can see it displayed employee 1 information, name Swasan Myers, ID number, department accounting, and job title vice president. And similarly is display the data for employee 2, name, ID number, department, job title, and similarly display the data for employee 3, name, ID number, department, and job title. Here you can add column for better result. Now you can run the program again, and you can see it displayed the result.